It's just the satisfaction of being a caretaker, knowing that you took care of that person.
My name is Caden Crossway.
My name is Lydia Bledsoe.
My name is Brooke Vaughn.
I attend the Health Career Explorers program.
I attend the Health Careers Explore class.
Health Career Explorers.
Most of the time it's a lot of book work, worksheets, dealing with a lot of, just going chapter by chapter what we do.
Mostly it's a lot of book work, and in the second half of the class we go out into the lab and practice our skills.
Everything's mainly just hands-on. We just kind of work how to prepare if we were in a situation. And the second semester we learned phlebotomy, which is a lot of hands-on activities.
What have you learned that you didn't think you ever would?
Blood pressure, listening to the heartbeat when you're kind of recording blood pressure and whatnot.
Probably clinicals, just because you have to actually deal with other people playing a specific type of role and then having to help them with whatever they need to do.
What has been the most fun experience you've had in this class?
Just the fun of being together with the friends that I've made, and just kind of working through our different skills and enjoying the hands-on experience that we get to do.
Definitely working in the lab and learning all the new skills.
Because since we didn't get to go to a nursing home, we get to experience what it'd be like if we were in a real life situation where we had to take care of someone.
What career do you hope to acquire from this class?
I hope to soon take the LPN class that we have here at Mid-America, and then soon become an RN. RN is a registered nurse. I wanted to become an RN solely because I thought about becoming a doctor, but just too many school years, and an RN was a quicker way with good pay, and you can always expand on what you want to be as an RN, from cardiovascular to peds to so many different things.
I hope to become a cardio surgeon. It's something about the heart. It's just fascinating of how it works and how it controls the whole body.
I want to be an RN.
And why do you enjoy being a caretaker more than
Always new, something always new. You get to enjoy, the people that you save when you do have something like that. And sometimes the adrenaline rush that you get from emergency situations.
It's just the satisfaction of being a caretaker, knowing that you took care of that person.
Is there anything you would change about your experience in this class?
Being better prepared, because it was a lot of anatomy and medical abbreviations and terminology, but other than that, just...
Definitely being more prepared and remembering my anatomy from 3rd grade PE.
No, I really love this class. It's very, very social, and it just kind of gets you out of your comfort zone.